Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Happy Doctor Foundation. I am Dr. Anil Nirare, plastic surgeon from Mumbai, PGDBA in brand management. Last week, friends, we had conducted one workshop for a group of doctors ranging from general practitioners to consultants, and we were discussing about how to have a better doctor-patient relationship. Because if you see the today's scenario, the doctor and patient relationship is changing. So what we discussed, that I will tell you in short. We discussed about doctor-patient relationship and how to give TLC to your patient. How to give TLC to your patient. TLC. You must be knowing TLC means tender loving care. But when it comes to medical practice, the TLC gets replaced by another TLC. So let us see what does this new TLC means. Number one, T. T stands for time. Give time to your patient. Whenever you are taking rounds or you are doing consultation for the patient, give time to your patient. Second is L. L stands for listening. Listen to your patients, because many a time what happens, one of the doctor who had attended this workshop, he narrated his own incident. He said, I spent half an hour with patient, but at the end patient and his family told me that, doctor, you are not listening to us. Doctor, you are not listening to us. So I was wondering, where is the problem? Even you must be facing this kind of problem when patient, even if you explain them sincerely, patient is not getting satisfied. Why this is happening? Because listening problem. Listening is an art which you have to develop. So what is the third? The C. The C stands for counseling. Counseling of your patient is very important. We are very good at consultation, but consultation when it comes, it is the disease and the doctor. It is the patient and the doctor. And counseling is entirely different. Counseling is very important, especially whenever the patient is undergoing operation. For example, whenever we are doing abdominoplasty, we counsel the patient how to do breathing in post-operative period right in the consulting room. That is, before operation, we see to it that patient has well understood the importance of breathing exercises and how to do breathing after operation. Same way, whenever there is a critical patient admitted in ICU, then you have to do proper counseling of the patient. Unless and until you follow these three things, that is giving adequate time to your patient, then listening to your patient, and third important is counseling, the doctor-patient relationship will not develop. So friends, if you want to know more about this time matter, listening matter and counseling matter, do let us know at our email ID. Now we will see the experience of patients. Up till now we were discussing what doctor should do, and doctor was telling doctors. But now today I will call upon patient and what patient expects from doctor. That's what we will see. So I call upon to give her opinion about current scenario of doctor-patient relationship. Please come.
Hello.
As a patient, madam, what do you expect? How much time doctor should give you?
Doctor should give me the full time, whatever I am paying for. And at the same time, he should understand what are my problems, because each and everyone has their personal problems. Right. No one is same. So if he listens and if he takes care on one-on-one basis, it will be more easy for patients and the doctors also.
Very correct. Now, madam, last question. Any suggestion from your side to doctor?
Yeah, of course. Doctor have to be very involved in patients' care. And he should not be only making money, or he should not be like to be too busy not to listen to patients.
So, in your opinion, doctor should be able to do more better counseling of the patient,
Yes.
and patient satisfaction should be given first importance.
True, very true,
Right.
very true. Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, doctor friends, in order to take benefit of Happy Doctor Foundation, do join us by sending your mobile number, your name, your address and qualification on my mobile number, that is 9820086112, and you can take benefit of all our activities of Happy Doctor Foundation. Thank you.